Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. I, R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, just sending the series of videos regarding the final account that is going on. The questions given in your textbook, whatever the problem sent by you, just briefly I keep on explaining through the videos. So dear children, you should watch the video and go through the information and adjustment given in your question. Now, one of the question you have sent me the problem of question number 17A, just the profit and loss account and balance sheet. You have prepared the trading account, whatever the GP ascertained, that is very easy way in trading account. All the transactions recorded, the format you know it. As you know, in the format of trading account, opening stock, purchase and purchase returns and all the direct expenses involving in production and asking the goods, just bringing the goods to the godown. These are the direct expenses directly involved in purchasing of goods and production of goods. In credit column, closing stock and sales return recorded, then the GP and GL, I mean to say gross profit or gross loss is asserted. Now profit and loss account of question number 17A, you can see first you have to draw the format of profit and loss account. Just profit and loss account. Draw the column. This way, my dear children. See. The column of profit and loss account. This one is the particulars, amount debit, particulars, amount credit. Now see, this one is the questions given in your textbook. Question number 17A. On 31st March 2017, the following trial balance was extracted from the books of Shah Ghanshyam Das. So we can write here the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account of Shah Ghanshyam Das. Ghanshyam Das for the year 31st March 2017. Just the top of the head you have written, and then go through the gross profit ascertained by gross profit by gross profit by gross profit 2,05,500. 2,05,500. That is the gross profit ascertained through the trading account. And then after, just we have to go through the additional information and other items given in the trial balance. So expenses, capital account, debtors and creditors, loan on mortgage, interest on loan, to interest on loan, whatever the loan taken by the enterprise, just the interest is paid, interest on loan. 2,250. Just the additional information given in adjustment, we have to adjust that one. The loan, interest on loan at the rate of 15% per annum is unpaid for 6 months. This one is the payment made by the organization, only 6 months. So add outstanding, that is the 2,250 also. So 4,500. Then after discount given in credit column, we can write over here by discount. That is 1,800. Then stock given, motor vehicle, cash at bank, investment, wages, land and building, 2 bad debts. 2 bad debts. No additional information given for the debtors. So we can write the bad debts 1,500. That is given 1,500. Then after purchase and sales return, carriage outward. That is the indirect expense recorded in the profit and loss account in debit column. Carriage outwards. Carriage outwards. That is given 8,000. Then after carriage inward, that is the item of the trading account, salaries. 2 salaries. Given 7,200. This one is the item just given in the inside of the trial balance. Salaries. After that, rates, taxes and insurance. 2 rates, taxes and insurance. Insurance given 15,000. Then advertising. 2 advertising given 5,000. 5,000 general expenses to general expenses. Inside of the column we will write this one inside of the column. Because of that, additional information given regarding the general expenses. Ghanshyam Das withdrew 2,000 for his private use. This amount was included in general expense. So it will be deducted from the general expense less drawing of Ghanshyam Das included in general expense. That is 2,000 minus 4,400. That will be the amount of general expense. 4,400. Then bills receivable and bills payable, prepaid insurance inside of the column. So will be shown in the assets column of the balance sheet. Then after go through the information, additional information, whether something left. Depreciate land and building at 2.5% to depreciation. Land and building, land that is given, land and building given 2,80,000, 2.5%, 2.5%, that will be the 7,000. Then after motor vehicles 20%. Motor vehicles, the amount of motor vehicles given 50,000. That will be the amount. Motor vehicle 20% of 50,000. Motor vehicle, that will be the 10,000. Whether this one calculated, so the total depreciation will be the 17,000. Then after other information, Ghanshyam Das withdrew loan, that is already adjusted, and interest on investment is receivable for full years at the rate of 10%. 10% that is accrued, not received during the accounting period, whatever the amount of investment given, 16,000. So by accrued interest, by accrued interest on investment, interest on investment, that is 1,600. Then after, my dear, one thing that is given, provide for manager's commission at the rate of 10% on net profit after charging such commission. So we have to calculate the manager commission after total of this one. Total of this one will be 2,08,900. 2,08,900, the total of the credit column of profit and loss account. Then debit column, total of this one 0, 0. 0, 0. We can total this one. 6, 2, 62,600. The total of this will be 62,600, and we can just ascertain the net profit. Net profit will be 300. 1,46,300, and the information given. Now listen it carefully. Just the information given regarding these questions. कि provide manager's commission at the rate of 10% on net profit profit after charging such commission. So the net profit ascertained 1,46,300. Now dear children, 1,46,300 into 10 upon 100 plus rate. Whether the word given after charging such commission, just the rate plus 100. Rate is equal to 10. 100 plus 110. Divided by this one. 1. Just the manager commission will be 13,300. So we can write here to manager's commission. That will be the outstanding manager's commission 13,300. Then after, just here we can write the total of this amount. Total of this amount just 2,08,900. 2,08,900. And then after the net profit after deducting the amount 13,300, the net profit will be 1,33,000. To net profit 1,33,000. 2,08,900. This is the proper way. Now dear children, you can see in this video whatever the items given, that is the manager commission. Manager commission given, manager commission regarding the before charging such commission or after charging such commission. Whether the simple way, whatever the net profit ascertained by the enterprise on the net profit, whether that is given the word after charging, so the formula will be net profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. This way the steps involving calculated the manager commission, and this one is the outstanding after deducting the profit, that will be the actual net profit, and it will be shown in the liabilities column of the balance sheet also. And two more new things: outstanding salaries, outstanding expenses given inside of the trial balance, and prepaid expenses also given inside of the trial balance. Whether such expenses given in the trial balance inside will be shown in the liabilities and assets column of the balance sheet. Means the accounting treatment of such expenses shown in the balance sheet, whether the outstanding expenses inside of the trial balance shown in the liabilities column of the balance sheet, and whether the prepaid expenses given shown in the assets column of the balance sheet. And manager commission also, because of that this will be paid to the next year, that will be the liability of the enterprise. So after deducting the net profit in profit and loss account, the net profit will be ascertained and then it will be shown in the liabilities column of the balance sheet also. Now keep on watching the video. Thank you very much.